Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is comments. This is the fourth topic in Python basics. Let's begin. Comments are some help information that can be written in between Python program statements for the other programmers to read and understand. Comment statement will not be executed. The Python interpreter will ignore those lines. Comments can be written in three different ways: single line comments, inline comments, multi-line comments. Any characters followed by the hash and up to the end of the line are considered to be single line comment. A single line comment followed by a statement is called inline comments. We can enter a multi-line comment in two ways. Add a hash symbol in the beginning of every line of comments. Enclosing comment lines within a triple single quote or triple double quotes are multi-line comments. This type of multi-line comment is also known as docstring. The docstrings are used as help document. I will talk more about docstring in later videos. Let's write a program to demonstrate the use of comments. Thanks for watching. I hope that you like this video. For more details, view the description below. See you in next video.